ready to start your trading journey. Today we're walking you through the absolute first step every trader needs to take: creating your TradingView account within 2 minutes. Whether you're analyzing stocks, crypto, or Forex, TradingView is your gateway to professional charting. Let's get you set up right now. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to TradingView.com. You'll see the homepage with powerful charts and market data. Look for the Get Started button in the top right corner and click it. This opens your registration options. Step 2. Choose how you want to sign up. TradingView offers multiple options: email, Google, Apple, Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. For the fastest setup, I recommend using Google or Apple sign-in. It's instant and secure. Or enter your email address if you prefer the traditional method. I'll use Google sign-in. Simply select your Google account, authorize TradingView, and you're through the first gate. Step 3. Complete your basic profile. To access your full profile, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Billing from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage all your account details and preferences. Choose a username. This is how other traders will see you in the TradingView community. If you signed up with email, check your inbox and verify your address. Click the verification link and you're officially activated. Congratulations, you're now inside TradingView. You'll see your personalized dashboard with charts, markets, and tools ready to explore. Your free account includes unlimited charts, essential indicators, and the Pine script editor. Everything you need to start analyzing markets and building strategies. That's it. You're now a TradingView user with access to professional-grade charting tools. This is just the beginning of your trading transformation. Ready to take it further? Combine TradingView's powerful charts with PineGen AI's instant strategy creation. To accelerate your trading success, your journey starts now.